can do it. He did it! Oh, he's going back. Yay! Yeah, yeah. Now he's laying there on the floor. He was on his back and now he's on his belly. Mind you, his arm is stuck. Arm is stuck and he doesn't know what to do with it. Yeah. Oh, he's going back. You going back to your back, honey? Okay, honey. Drive carefully. Oh, he's going. Oh, went back to his back. Yeah. Yeah. Good job. Look at that turkey. Yeah, but his arm was under his belly. Oh. And then, so it kind of, you know what I mean? Well, yeah, but when he's on his belly, he lifts himself up, right? Yeah.